Hi there, I'm Freda Wilson. I'm the owner of Your Relationship Matters, and I am a life and relationship coach. I'm also an author of 2 bestsellers, and they are behind me. But enough about me. I want to tell you why I joined the Max community and why you should come check us out. There are so many great people to interact with. The warm embrace, the friendliness, the opportunities to learn and maximize your business and your personal life. I enjoy the Money Club, and I enjoy the Video City that has been added to the community. So come check us out, free for 30 days. And then if you don't like us, thank you for visiting, but I'm sure you will. Come be a part of the Max community. I did.